Good morning, everybody. We are in math. It is May 7th and it is Thursday. So for our opening, we're going to be reading our learning target. For our mini lesson, we're going to review what we learned yesterday. And for our work period, you're going to be watching this video and learning a little bit of new stuff today. And for our closing, you're going to take a one-question quiz. So, learning target. I can find and position pairs of integers and other rational numbers on a coordinate plane. Your review. Remember yesterday we talked about quadrants, okay? We talked about the 4 different quadrants. We talked about naming quadrants. For instance, if you were trying to name K, you have to follow the x-axis first, so it would have been 6, and then the y-axis, and it would have been 1. So K would have been 6, 1, okay? We also know that the numbers in this quadrant are positive. The numbers in this quadrant are all negative. The numbers in this quadrant are x's are negative, y's are positive, and we know that the numbers in this quadrant, x's are positive, y's are negative. Okay? So today we're going to be doing the same thing. Oop, wrong one. We're going to be doing the same thing in math. Okay, same thing, but we're using real life, okay? So instead of seeing A, B, C, or D over here, we're pretending that this is a school building, okay? And we're trying to find the English class, okay? So, ooh, English is right here. Let me get my pointer, and we'll do red. English is right here, okay? So, we're doing the same thing that we did yesterday. We start off with the x-axis. So let's see what x is. X is this line right here. So we're on, oop, looks like 3. And then we're going to go all the way up the y, okay? Remember, this long line going all the way up and down is your y. So let's see where English is. Oh, it looks like English is at 2. So how you name this would just be 3, 2, okay? Easy peasy. Let's try another one. Ooh, let's find the athletic department. That would be sort of like a gym, okay? So let's find the gym. We're going to take our red and let's see if we can find athletic department. Ooh, I see it over here. It's this dot, okay? So we see that the x, it looks like the x is on 2, right? And we know that our y, -3. So you always start with your x. So the x is 2, positive 2. And then your y is -3. Ta-da! That's just how you do it, guys. Easy peasy. You just go to the x and to the y, and you just write it out like that. So today you're going to take a one-question quiz. Same thing. We're going to go to it right now. It's going to be called May 7th, Quadrants, Day 2. So if you go up and you click Activities and Quizzes, go down, today's date, May 7th. I'm going to click Preview. You guys are just going to click the actual, you're going to click this. I'm going to click this so I can just preview it for you guys. And I'll show you what it looks like. One question. Okay, so look, you're finding the gas station right here, okay? So you're doing the x first, so you're going to go over to 7, 7, up to 2, so it would be what? 7, 2. And you would click, okay? Good luck, everybody. Have a good day.